This is really hard stuff. Look carefully. That's how you pour it in.
Hello guys, so today we are going to make Subway cookies and I hope you guys enjoy. Next person.
It was part of a cooking project that I had to do at school and I thought I would share with you guys.
Please subscribe to this video if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell down below. Like, share and subscribe again. And comment on this video that was nice and good.
We are using 115 gram of butter for 200 grams of flour. And we have to melt it first. So we first start off with the sugar. So you need 2/3 cup of brown sugar or like raw sugar. One-third cup of caster sugar. And then we pour in our melted butter.
Very drippy, drippy.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. It looks like honey. Which I hate. I love.
And then you mix well. And then put it to a side, yeah. Okay.
Oh, baby.
Is this finished?
Now we're putting in 3/4 vanilla extract or essence.
And we need 1 egg. This is, okay.
The dough. You need 1 egg and then 1 egg yolk. Don't fret it. We only need to use 1 egg yolk.
This is really hard stuff. Look carefully. That's how you pour it in.
Now you beat it all in together.
Ruben,
Slowly.
Or else you make, you won't make
Okay,
a
you
mess.
don't put it on the side, just keep it flat.
Yeah, you don't.
You have to first put like a towel or like kitchen towel underneath it so it doesn't like move around too much on the mixer. You go. Now it's ready and we have to sift in the flour. Now we're going to be using self-raising flour and we need 1 1/3 cup of self-raising flour. And that will be around 200 grams. Like, you can go like this, or you can tap. Oh.
Ruben.
Wakanda forever.
No!
Wakanda forever.
It's spilling everywhere.
Good job. Start by slowly mixing it into the the mixture that you made. Just slowly mix it while you're like folding it into the wet ingredients.
So like you're mixing like, so it was like 2 layers, like 1 layer of flour and 1 layer of the mixture, and then that's when you like get your spatula, I think, put it at the bottom and then like fold it over. I said it was meant to be said.
Now
the flour word.
go mix it in.
And I try to say teacher in a weirdly funny, well, not
Sure that there is no leftover flour from before and that it's not chunky. It's ready now and we can start adding in the chocolate chip pieces.
So today we're using dark chocolate chip pieces, and even though dark is one of the best, which is only 2, yeah, it's actually really good with the cookies. Actually, I'm not lying. I might still.
Pour it in.
No.
Can I?
And we'll be using 1 1/3 cup of these dark chocolate chip pieces as well.
So chop chip.
Don't even touch the spatula until don't Ruben.
Please don't.
It's around 200 grams that you're using, and then slowly stir it in with the cookie batter.
So right now.
Can I try? I want it so desperate. I don't know.
Okay, so
why.
right now it looks like it's so much, but then it's actually a little bit.
So it's now ready and you can start putting it onto the tray.
It's already.
You'll be using 1 tablespoon measurements, so it's easier and it gets it the perfect size as well.
Oh, why didn't you put it in a circle?
No, because it won't. Because it will be too sticky to. No, it will be too sticky to touch with your hands.
So then how does it turn into a circle when it's in the oven?
Because you're using
Math?
Because you're using 1 tablespoon measurements, and it should be like it doesn't.
Should.
It
but
won't
doesn't sound very
obviously.
convincing.
No, it won't obviously come out in a perfect circle. Because like
How does it once when you get it cold?
please put it in like the same, like as far away as I have put it. Like it's like 3 centimeters apart. Yes, you did. You're the one that decided to mess it up. No, Roshan, it doesn't have to be even. Here in the corner first. Oh, okay, fine. This one.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really
24 round balls, so 24 cookies, and now we can put it into the oven. Always be sure that your oven is on 165 degrees and like fan force. Yeah. Also make sure halfway between it, turn them around so it's cooked evenly on both sides. Leave it in the oven to cook for 15 minutes. It's ready now, and around after like I left it in for 9 minutes, I turned it over and switched the places so they both get cooked evenly. We have to let it cool for around 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now since we let it to cool down, and we can start putting it onto the plate. It's nice and crispy on the outside and then soft on the inside. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. Please tell us in the comments what you thought of this video.
It's really good.
Very crunchy. Very tasty. Please, if you haven't subscribed and hit the notification bell, please do it right now. And hit the like button.
Yes, and comment and share. Okay.